Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about follow me in SketchUp Pro 2021 by showing like this example. See this? It's so fast if you follow me. So example, I draw another example. I draw a circle. So it's not smooth, so I want to be smooth 50s. So it's a bit smooth. You can check out in my previous video how to smooth the circle. And then I want to draw example this. Make sure attach this circle. Okay, and then I pull it here. Oh, sorry, again. Control. Okay. Space to visit, and then I draw something here. It's just an example. No lens actual lens. Yeah, it's just draw by. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Okay, again. Okay, like this. Okay, no. You must remember the color of the line. Example, draw this one. Okay. Space, and then I delete this one. Delete this one. Delete all. Okay, and then wait. Space. Delete. Okay. So I want to draw this around the circle. So we use follow. Here, follow. Click on this one and this one. Click the circle. Again. It's a little weird. Delete. Okay, again. Here. Click follow here. Click on here. Okay, around the. Okay. It doesn't follow me. Click here. See the red here? It's coming. It's lost somewhere. Yeah. Come on, maybe. Okay, so it's simple. You want to be it here, yeah? That's how you create it. And one more, if you Control Z, if you want it around, just click on circle. This circle. Click on this circle and follow me, and click on this. You see, it's around it. But if you don't want to be round, you want to be it somewhere. Control Z. If you want to be it here, just click here first and here. Okay. Okay, so I want to be it here, yeah. So that's how you create it. Again, Control Z. If you want to be it around, click here first. Click here first, and then click follow me. Click on this one. Okay, it's rounded. Yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.